everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel KS Automation. So in today's lecture, I gonna share about how to use ramp and navigation button in FactoryTalk View Studio. If you new on my YouTube channel, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for never miss new updates. So let's get started. So first I will be explain what is a ramp button. So ramp button is a part of the buttons with the help of you can increase and decrease the particular any analog value. Let's see how we can do. So click on ramp button and drag and drop on display like this. This is a ramp button. Okay, it's ramp button. So in the ramp button, in the journal option in one box there you can see the appearance and one box line means one box. First I will explain in related the one box what is in one box, then box number 2, then box number 3, then box number 4. So let's see what is in first box. So border style, you can select border style, example recessed, inset, and line. You want to select, you can select recessed. Recessed is a style, type of style of is one of the type. Recessed is one of the style of ramp button. So border style, you can choose any border, means in the between 4 border you can change any border according to you which border you want. Example inset, click apply. So step number 1 is in step number 1 you can say a number is completed, means a option is completed. You can see how many option in box 1, and box 1 is one of the best rule by which you can learn anything in the with the help of box rule. You can learn anything and you can do anything. Second box is border width. Border width, please observe my word is border width, width of the button. So example 2. So with the box rule you can use anything. So next is border width. So border width is 2. Next you can see border use back color, means you can use border color of the ramp button like a back color. I already explained in I was already explained in previous videos, in which videos I was explained how to use different type button like buttons, momentary button, maintain button, lash button, and multi-state button and multi-state indicator. In the next box, next option is back color. You can absorb my word back color. You can change the any color, which color you want according to the theme of the color. You can change example green. Okay, normal green. And if you want custom, you can customize the color of the any button or any object from here. click on OK. Now in the example you want to change border use back color. So click on here border use back color, click apply. Wow, you can see it's very nice looking, and you can customize according to you. And back style also you can change, transparent, gradient is border color you can choose border color which color you want, example black, apply. Next in the box is next shape is shape. So you can change shape, 3 type of shape available in any button: circle, ellipse, and also rectangle. Next is blink. Button will be blink automatically when you select the blink option, it button will be blink. And one more, next we will move next button setting, means box number 2. So in the box number 2 you can see use variable lower upper limit. You can use variable lower upper limit means I already explained. For the ramp button, you can any value increase or decrease, like but value must be analog. If any analog value you want to increase and decrease, so you can use ramp button. And in and also so next is ramp up, ramp down, and next is use variable ramp value. You can change variable means different ramp value you can use. Ramp value, it will be automatically changed if you select use variable ramp value. So you cannot change the ramp value, it will be automatically vary. Next is use lower upper limit. Next is, so you can select lower or and upper limit. So it will be deselect. If you want, you can select and you can use. So ramp up. So in the ramp up means you want to increase the value or you want to decrease the value. I will explain both, how to increase value and how to do decrease value. So let's see first increase value. Select ramp up upper limit. So one scenario where you can use this ramp up button. Example, you have a BFD and you want to change you want to change frequency of the BFD. Example, you have a BFD and you want to change frequency of the BFD without entering keyboard, without using keyboard. With the help of mouse and one by one value will be increased. One by one value will be increased. Which value you will set in the RAM value. And also you can use for control valve, for controlling valve. And two scenario you can use and in the control valve means analog output. And one must think you can use mostly analog output. This button first for BFD it is best option, and second option for use control. For control valve also you can use. And next thing is ramp down. Ramp down means that if example if BFD value is increasing, so it must be BFD value decrease. It's must. So you want to decrease value, then you can use ramp down button. So first I will ramp up button. So here you can see touch margin not more important, but you can learn what is the touch margin. IDO I explained what is the IDO. IDO means when you click on the button, computer will generate one IDO means it will be generate click option button, click IDO. And also you can change the IDO of the left from the FactoryTalk View Studio. Next is option is label. So if you are following my video, so in the label or caption you can write any familiar of this option, label or caption. So in the label or caption you can write any caption. Example, value FD BFD VA value up, BFD value plus, BFD value you can set italic, you can set plus underline. RAM value caption color. Caption color. You can bold, you can italic caption color. Which color you can bold? So text of example RAM button. Okay.
For caption
set
color, you
italic,
can change,
you can
example,
set
red.
underline.
Okay.
Ramp
Also, caption
next
color.
is caption blink.
So caption means
Text
text will be blink.
caption color.
It will
You
be
can
blink
change caption
according to
color,
the system
caption
time.
color,
According
which
to
color you
system
want
time,
to
it will be
so
blink, and that
example,
blink will be
for
fixed
BFD.
blink. Okay,
You cannot
okay.
vary blink.
For caption color, you can change.
You
example,
cannot
according
change
to system time,
blinking
it will be
time.
blink, and that blink will
Transparent
be fixed
and
blink.
solid. You cannot
caption
vary
style.
blink.
Next is image. You cannot change
blinking
You can
time.
choose any image. Example,
Transparent
you can
and
see here
solid
up arrow.
caption
Wow,
style.
nice.
It's
Next
nice.
is image. You can
Up arrow.
change. You can choose
Apply.
any image. Example,
Okay.
you can see here
Now-
up arrow. Wow, nice. It's
I will
nice.
delete here.
Up arrow. But
Apply.
for your understanding,
Okay.
you can use up arrow. Now, timing.
I will delete here.
So auto repeat setting, it will be repeat automatically.
But for
Yes,
your
understanding,
I will
you
see
can use
up
after
arrow.
create after timing. So auto repeat setting, it will be repeat
Now I will
automatically.
see what is the
Yes,
auto
I will
repeat.
see. Next
After
is common.
create.
In the common height, you
After
can
check.
see width and the position, top position of the
Now I will
this
be
position
see what is the
of
auto repeat.
screen. Next is
And
common.
RAM button
In the
here
common
you can
height, you
write
can see width
example
and the position,
BFD,
top position of the this position
Value
of
screen.
BFD
And RAM button here you can write example
BFD frequency, you can see F
value
BFD
PLUSCY frequency
or BFD frequency, you can see
frequency plus
FQUENCY
frequency
and connection.
frequency plus.
I already created connection in HMI server tag, so click on tag and
You can
connection.
see here already created a HMI tag. So
I
click
already
on
created
unlock
connection in HMI
Example,
server tag.
so
Okay, click on tag. So
you
click
can
on
see
unlock
here
file.
already
You can choose
created
any
a HMI
tag.
tag.
That
So click
tag
on
you
unlock
you
for.
have to create it. Example. Okay. So click on unlock file. You can
explain
choose
when I will create
that tag
video on the
you have to
faceplate
create
and the
it.
pop-up.
Explain.
So on that
when
time,
I will
I will
create
put this
video
button
on
in
the
the
faceplate
faceplate
and
of
the pop-up
BFD faceplate.
So on that time,
I
for
will
motor
put this
faceplate
button
in the
motor
faceplate of
faceplate will be
BFD
include one
faceplate.
BFD.
For motor faceplate in
Click
motor
OK,
faceplate will be
apply
include one
and
BFD. Okay. Next click
will
okay.
be apply
next and okay.
What will next?
Next copy
will
and
be
it will be
up
paste.
next.
Example.
What will next?
One is
Copy and
completed.
it will be
One
paste.
BFD value plus
Example.
is completed. Only
One is
what will
completed.
change, one BFD value plus is
Okay, you-
completed. Here is
Only
a what
BFD
will value
change.
plus not. It will be BFD
Okay, you-
hertz. Here is a BFD value plus not.
BFD hertz will
it
be
will
better.
be BFD hertz. BFD hertz will be
Also
better.
you
can write frequency, no problem. What will change?
Also you can write
only
frequency,
change
no problem.
down button connection plus.
What will
and
change?
tag must
Only
be
change
same. Down if
button.
you use connection plus and tag
If
must
you
be
are using
same. For
if you
same
use
tag for same control,
If you are
example
using
control
for
valve
same
or BFD,
tag,
for
then
same
analog
control
output
tag
example
will be
control
must be
valve
same or BFD,
So, analog
then
output tag
analog
must be
output
same.
tag will be must
And
be same.
if you are
So
if you
analog
using
output tag must
say
be
different
same.
type of tag,
and if
one
you
tag
are
for
if you using
up and second tag
say
for
different
down
type of
means
tag
in
one
increase
tag
value and
for
second tag will
up
be
and
decreased
second tag
value
for
of the
down
analog
means
increase
output
value and
second tag will be decreased value of the analog output
and first tag will be
output
increase of the
second
log
tag will
up
be
to output.
decreased
So
value
you
of
have
the
to
analog
change-
output and
change
first tag
tag.
will be increase of the log up to output. So
In
you
the
have
first
to
also
change
will be
tag hertz. In the first also it will be hertz. What value is in if you want to know value is increasing or not, so you can select a numeric input. Numeric input is a
If you
another
want to know
part
value
of
is increasing or
Factory
not,
Talk View
so
Studio.
you can
So
select
I will
a
explain in the
numeric
detail
input.
in coming videos. Numeric
So now
input is a
we have to check
another
only
part of
you want to
Factory Talk
check
View
example
Studio.
you want to check
So
value
I will explain in the detail
increasing or
in
not.
coming
So
videos.
right.
So now
click on.
we have to check only you
So
can
click
you
on
want to
numeric
check
display
example you
and
want to
drag
check
and drop
values
here.
increasing or not. So right click on
Here.
expression. So you can
click on
see
numeric display
same
and drag and drop here.
you can apply same method here. What is same
Here,
method?
expression.
You can apply.
So you can see same
you
box
can apply.
rule.
So for box rule,
method
click on
here.
tag, same
What is same
example
method?
tag 5,
You
already
can
selected.
apply
It tag must be same. If tag will be changed,
box
then
rule.
so for box
value
rule,
will
click
be
on tag,
different.
same example tag 5,
And
already selected.
in the
It
first
tag
you
must
have
be
to
same.
check
If
syntax
tag
is
will
okay
be
or
changed,
not. So
then
syntax is valid.
value
And
will
second
be
you have to
different.
check in the second box
And
in one box
in the
format.
first you have to check
In here is
syntax
a
is okay or not. So syntax is valid.
several for
And
here
second
is a
you have to
different
check in the
format.
second box,
Example decimal,
in one box
hexadecimal. In here is a
octal,
binary,
several
floating
for
point,
here is a
and
different
exponent
format.
value.
Example decimal,
Exponent
hexadecimal
value means after
octal,
binary, floating
exponent
point,
value
and
means
exponent
it will be
value.
floating point with
Exponent value means
floating
after,
point with dot. Exponent value means it will be floating point with dot.
I think there is one vein of laughing in our body. They make me shrink. Beautiful. I think there is one vein of laughing in our body. They make me shrink.
So for this you have to choose floating point, and floating point will be so round value
So,
or for this round value means to choose
near about value.
floating point, and exponent value point will be so
fixed value.
round value, or to click on exponent.
Exponent
round value
value.
means
Near about
here
value.
you can see
And
field exponent value
length.
means
So
fixed value. To
field
click on
length means
exponent value.
what
Here
will
you
be
can
length
see
of
field
what will be length
of
so
numeric
field
numeric
length
display. Numeric display length
What
you
will
can
be length
increase or
of
decrease means
what
how
will be
many
length
length
of
you want. So example for
numeric
BFD. So
numeric
BFD numeric display length 2. So click on digit grouping. Here you can see justification. In the justification,
click on digit
you can select left, you can center,
justification.
So what is a left, center, right? In the
when you will be
justification,
click left
you can
means
select left, center, justification.
So what is a
value
left,
will be filled from the
center,
right,
right.
left.
When
and
you will be
center,
click
value
left
will fill in
means
the center, and right value will fill in the right. It is not
value
more
will
thing.
be filled from the
And
right,
in
left.
next and center, value will fill in the center.
Leading
And right
characteristic.
value will
It
fill in the right.
will be
It is
blank
not more
or
thing.
zero. Example,
And
if
in next
values
0, frequency is 0 hertz,
characteristic.
so it means
will be blank or
fourth
zero.
exponent floating point
values
will be so 0, and value is frequency is 0
not
hertz,
showing 0.
so it means
So and in the blank,
fourth
so it will be
exponent
blank.
floating
Not show
point will be
anything.
so 0,
Apply.
and value is not
And
showing
fixed
0,
decimal
so
place.
and in the blank,
So
so it will
example,
be blank, not show anything.
you know
BFD
apply.
is variable frequency type, means
And
you want
fixed
to
decimal
change
place.
so example
Frequency in the vary.
you know
variable
BFD
means
is
in the
variable
point
frequency
value.
type,
So you
means
can
want
fix
to change
uh,
to in the one point
frequency in the
and
vary.
apply.
Variable
So you
means
can see
in
here,
the point value.
example,
So you can
20
fix,
point something, 20.5, 20
in the one point.
30, and apply
12 point.
frequency. Now what we have to do, what you have
So
to do,
you can
have
change
to frequency.
Here,
Now what
you
we
have to enter
do,
50
what
because
you have to do,
here
you
we
have
are
to
using BFD.
here for
you have
BFD
to
you
enter
cannot
50
change
because
here we are more
using
than
BFD.
in the BFD you
For
cannot
BFD you
use more
cannot
than
change.
50 hertz.
So 50
6 more
in
than
some
in
countries,
the BFD
and
you
you have
cannot
if
use
you
more than 50 hertz.
living
50
another country and
some
on this
countries,
country
and you have
your
if
country
you,
is using using
living
60
another
hertz, you can
country
enter
and
60
on this
plus
country your country
and
is
RAM
using,
value
using
means
60 hertz, you can enter 60
when
plus,
you will click
and RAM value
first
means
time on
when
the
you
button,
will click, then
first
value will
time
increase 1.
on the
In
button,
first click,
then
value will increase
value
1,
will
and
increase
second click
1.
again 1, third click
Means
again
first
1.
click
Means
value will
in the
increase
sequence
1,
1, 2, 3,
second
4,
click
5, 6,
again
7,
1,
8,
third
9,
click
10.
again 1.
Example, you
Means
have to
in the sequence 1, 2, 3,
you have
4,
to click
5, 6,
first
7, 8,
and
9, 10.
so value
Example,
will
you
increase
have to
3.
you
have
you
to
can
click
write
first
here 3.
and
So
right
value
now
will increase
it's 1,
3.
So let's see
you
how
can
it's working.
write
Here 3. So right now
So,
it's 1. So
and
let's see how it's working. VFD hertz plus and minus both RAM button working, and I will show you after that navigation button. So I already created a client, that's why I'm click on client. If you don't know how to create client, so please visit on my YouTube playlist and saw the video. Please watch the video how to create and run client in FactoryTalk View Studio. Even I explained basic to advanced level in FactoryTalk View Studio. So click on run an existing file for FactoryTalk View Studio SE configuration file, because I already created configuration file, and if you not created configuration file, so please watch my previous video. So click on D means analog output value is in 0 hertz. In the 0 hertz you can see here 0 means analog output is in 0 hertz, means VFD is running in 0 hertz. You have to increase VFD, example 1 hertz. So click on VFD plus, and you can see here VFD frequency plus, that is a tool tip. Click on VFD frequency hertz 1 times. You can see value 1 is increased. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again from minus 1, 2, 3, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. An example, its counting is from 1. You have to increase count. What you have to do? Open development mode and select here VFD count. VFD up is 5. Apply OK, and VFD hertz in minus, it will be ramped down. Is in example 2. So in 2 value VFD hertz will be down, and 1 value VFD hertz will be up, means increase. Apply OK, and one is the I want to explain you. One is a best option in FactoryTalk View Studio. It will be automatically if you editing something in runtime, if you editing something in development mode and already open runtime, so what will be happen? It will be directly change will be directly reflect in the runtime, but you have to change screen 4 to 5 and click on VFD hertz plus. Directly is moving 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. After 50, it's not increasing. Why not increasing? Because upper limit is set 50 and lower limit it will be decreased with 2 value 48, 46, 44, 40, 44, 42, 40, 38, 36, 34, 32, 30, 28, 26, 24, 22, 20, 18, 16, 12, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 9, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 0.